अच्छे हो, fit and fine at home. I hope that you all are doing well at your home. Okay, so this is your Asha ma'am is again here. Okay, and I have brought chapter number 9 adverbs explanations to you this time. Okay, so chalo, let us start the explanation. Though I have explained the same thing in the Zoom lecture, but I have promised you that I'm going to take the chapter again as a video. I am going to shoot the video. So yes, I'm shooting a video for the same thing. Okay, we are moving towards English 1, chapter number 9, adverb. Okay, so here you can see the first screen that what is the adverb. Adverb hota kya hai? So you can see that some of the questions are there. He runs fast, do it now. Where do you live? Why are you late? Okay, so yes, why these questions? Because whenever we are going to find the adverb into that sentence, we have to ask some of the questions to ask, and whatever answers we are getting after asking the same question to the verb, that is called adverb. Means the answer of that question will be called adverb. उसका जो आंसर होगा उसको बोलेंगे adverb. Okay, चलो, let us see. First of all, let us see what are the adverbs. Okay, so a word that modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Okay, okay, so this is the next slide. Okay, adverbs, a word that modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Means here what the lines wants to say that what is an adverb. तो यहाँ पे आपको verb में ही मतलब उसके नाम में ही दिखाई दे रहा होगा that adverb, if we are adding something, if we are making changes, like any changes into that verb, उसको बोलेंगे एडवर्ब. सो एडवर्ब मॉडिफाइज द वर्ब, मतलब उसमें चेंजेस करके बताता है आपको दैट व्हाट इज एन एडवर्ब. ओके, और इट कैन बी इन एडजेक्टिव ऑल्सो. ओके, वी हैव लर्न द एडजेक्टिव्स ऑल्सो. सो मैनी टाइप्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स वी हैव लर्न, लाइक क्वांटिटेटिव एडजेक्टिव, क्वालिटेटिव एडजेक्टिव, नंबर एडजेक्टिव्स. ओके, नो डाउट मेनी आर देयर बट वी हैव लर्नड दीज 3. तो यस, सो उसको अगर कोई चीज मॉडिफाई कर रही है, ओके, आफ्टर वॉचिंग और आफ्टर लर्निंग द एग्जाम्पल्स फॉर द सेम, यू आर गोइंग टू नो व्हाट आर द एडवर्ब्स. सो दैट इज व्हाई ओनली आई एम गोइंग टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड ओनली. मैं नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पे जाती हूँ. ठीक है, चलो. So now remember, now what to remember, an adverb tells us more about a verb. Okay, so that is we are adding something to the verb. Okay, verb तो पता है ना, what are the verbs बेटा, और what are the action verbs like playing, dancing, eating, drinking. So these are the verbs. Okay, so yes, adverb is such a thing or such a word which modifies your verb, जो आपके verb को और modify करता है और उसको describe करता है. Yes, description should also be there, that how you are doing that. Okay, after watching the examples I'm going to explain the same thing. So yes, it tells more about the verb, it describes or modifies the verb in same way. Okay, so many adverbs end with the suffix ly but not all. Okay, so that are we can say that is the identification of that adverb only. कि whenever you'll see ly after the adjective or the verb, you can you can say that okay ma'am, this is the adverb only. इसी को adverb. Suffix का मतलब जो word के पीछे लगता है. Here ly is the suffix, so ly कहाँ लगेगा, आफ्टर द वर्ब ly will be there. Okay, so that is the adverb only. Adverbs often tells us how something happened, वो चीज कैसे हो रही है. Let us see one example. Let me give you the example for the same thing. Here in the picture you can see that girl runs quickly. One girl is there and she is running quickly. Okay, so if I will ask the question here, quickly, the like highlighted word is quickly, so you know that okay ma'am, quickly is the adverb. But why quickly becomes adverb? वो adverb कैसे बना? Let us see. So here गर्ल रन्स क्विकली, मतलब लड़की जोर से, मतलब एकदम तेजी से भाग रही है और भागती है, ठीक है। सो हियर इफ आई वांट टू आस्क समथिंग, तो मैं बोलूँगी अच्छा भाग रही है, कैसे भाग रही है वो, हाउ डज शी रन, कैसे भागी वो, हाउ डज शी रन, कैसे भागती है वो। सो यू विल से मैम गर्ल रन्स क्विकली, मतलब जोर से तेजी से भाग रही, स्पीडीली शी इज रनिंग। ओके, सो यस, सो हियर व्हाट आई हैव डिड, व्हाट आई हैव डन, मैंने क्या किया, आई आस्क द क्वेश्चन टू योर वर्ब ओनली। व्हाट इज द वर्ब हियर, यहाँ पे वर्ब कौन सा है और द एक्शन वर्ब कौन सा काम हो रहा है, भागने का काम हो रहा है। सो दैट भागना और दैट रन्स इज द वर्ब ओनली, दैट द एक्शन वर्ब ओनली। ओके, वो हमारा एक्शन वर्ड है। नाउ आई एम आस्किंग क्वेश्चन हाउ टू दैट एक्शन वर्ड, मैं उसी एक्शन वर्ड को क्वेश्चन कर रही हूँ हाउ। सो हियर व्हाट इज द आंसर ऑफ माई हाउ, क्विकली। जब मैं बोली व्हाट, हाउ डज द गर्ल रन, कैसे गर्ल रन किया उसने, तो यू विल से मैम गर्ल रन्स quickly. So that quickly is the answer to my question of that how. So it is why, that is why only that quickly becomes the adverb. No doubt many types of adverbs are there. Okay, just as I have explained in the Zoom lecture that so many types. No doubt I am going to share the same slide that how many types of adverbs are there. But yes, they are the some of the adverbs I am going to share in the screen. Otherwise so many types of adverbs are there. But in your textbook only and only one adverb is there, that is adverb of manner. Okay, adverb of manner is only there. Okay, so let us see the another example for the same. Okay, so now मैंने बोला that many types of adverbs are there. Okay, here we are going to discuss about only and only adverb of manner. So in adverb of manner only we are asking the question how. In adverb of manner only we are asking the question how. Let us see the second example. Look at that. This is a very sweet mango. So that very is also the adverb, but that is not in your syllabus, but I am just explaining that yes, it is also a kind of an adverb. Here the second or the third picture is there, that Peter reads quiet clearly. Okay, so here quiet is also the adverb, मतलब थोड़ा अच्छे से क्लियरली पढ़ रहा है पीटर, ठीक है। सो यस, हियर क्वाइट इज ऑल्सो एन एडवर्ब, बट वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू डिस्कस इट एज इट इज नॉट इन योर syllabus. So here the same line has been given to you, that a verb, an adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Okay, I have just explained the same thing. Now let us see some of the rules of adverb. हम थोड़े rules इसके देख लें, ठीक है। 1 minute only, let me compress it. Okay, so let us see the rules of the adverb. Okay, so here you can see that usually it ends with ly. We are talking about adverb of manner. So usually yes, whatever adverb will be there in your sentence, it usually end with ly. मतलब पीछे उसके क्या देखोगे आप, ly देखोगे. So ये देखो, some of the adjectives are there. Brave is an adjective, it is a qualitative adjective. Quick is also an qualitative adjective, and rude is also an qualitative adjective. So these all are the qualitative adjectives. Here look, when we are going to change these adjectives into adverb, then what are the changes you can see on the screen? So brave will become bravely, quick becomes quickly, rude becomes rudely. Okay, so here ly is there at the end of the word. Okay, no doubt if that adjective is already having ly, मतलब उस adjective में already y है, not ly, only and only y, means if any adjective ends with y, what you have to do, you have to omit or delete that y, and in place of that you are going to add ily. Okay, so जब भी y होगा, because the same rule was there when we discussed that plural and singular nouns, है ना? Yes, so here also the same changes you are going to make, that whenever y will be there at the end of the adjective, you are going to delete that y, and in place of that means it will be replaced by ily. Okay, y will be replaced by ily. So here angry becomes angrily, happy becomes happily, both the adjectives ending with y. Okay, so that is why we have not we have cut the y, and in place of y we have added ily. So that is the second rule only. Okay, now as you know that, as in जैसे we have discussed that in singular and plural also, that some of the words are not having the plural, or some of the words are having the plural as it is, and some of the words are having the irregular plurals, हमने देखा था that child का children हो जाता था, है ना, yes, then foot का feet हो जाता था. So here also some of the adjectives are there which are not these, means they are the adjectives as well as they are the adverbs also. Okay, उसमें कोई change करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है because these are the irregular adverbs like hard, hard as it is, fast, fast as it is, late, late as it is. उसको फिर आप hardly, hardly is the another word. हाँ, hardly is a word, no doubt, but that is for the another grammatical purpose. But for now you have to remember that hard का hardly कभी भी adverb नहीं होता है, ठीक है. Fast will never become fastly, late will never become lately. Okay, they will be remaining as it is only. Okay, they will remain as it is only. Okay, now even some of the adjectives are there which are having the irregular adverb form like good. Good का well हो जाएगा. Whenever you are going to write the adverb of good, तो good will become well only. Okay, चलो. So these were the rules. Some of the, now here some of the examples I have given. The same examples are there which we have discussed earlier, that is beautiful, beautifully, slow, slowly, bad, badly, happy, happily, noisy, noisily. Noisy मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा आवाज़ होती है, that is called noisy. So noisy, noisily, easy, easily, as it is. Okay, the same rules are there. I am not going to read it again. Okay, here some more examples are there like angrily, bravely, busily. Okay, then cautiously. Cautiously means whenever you are doing something with caution, with, like nowadays no doubt this COVID, due to this COVID-19 situation, we are taking more care of ourselves na, so that is called cautiously only. Precaution जिसको बोलते हैं ना, so that is the related word only. Cautiously means here you can see the one boy over there. Okay, वहाँ पे पानी है, one some caution has been written that please like अच्छे से cross करना या अच्छे से संभालना, that some pool is there or whatever. So here cautiously. Then courageously. Courageously means when we are doing anything very with a great courage. Courage का मतलब हिम्मत. Okay, so देखो the boy going for that like is trying to climb the tree for saving that cat. One cat is over there on the branch of the tree. Okay, so here courageously. So courageously मतलब हिम्मत से. And greedily. Greed means लालच. जब हमको किसी चीज का लालच होता है, so that is called greed. So greed is also an adjective and adverb of that is greedily. Okay, you can see that run is that thief is running by holding that like bag of money greedily only. Okay, so your greedily is there. So these are some of the examples of adverbs only. Okay, now here I have promised that I am going to share some of this one screen with you. This is just for your knowledge. It is nowhere in your textbook. Okay, यहाँ ये आपको कहीं आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक में देखने को नहीं मिलेगा, बट दो आई एम शेयरिंग द स्क्रीन विथ यू सो दैट यू विल हैव द एक्स्ट्रा नॉलेज अबाउट द एडवर्ब. आपको एडवर्ब का थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा नॉलेज मिले, दैट इज वाई ओनली आई एम शेयरिंग द स्क्रीन. ओके, नाउ हियर वर्ब लिस्ट इज दैट. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपको वर्ब की लिस्ट दिखने को मिलेगी. नाउ manner, that is our syllabus. Okay, that ly we all ly we have discussed. ठीक है, so here आपको करना क्या है, whatever question will be there, you are going to convert the adjective into adverb only. Okay, adverb of manner, it is called adverb of manner when you are asking the question how. When you are asking the question how, then it will become adverb of manner. Okay, now another adverb is also there, that is called adverb of place. Here some of the examples are there like outside, in his office, at home, by the door. So in these examples you can see that the place has been denoted. Means when you are asking the question where, then whatever will be the answer for the same, that will become the adverb of place. Okay, chalo. So next is frequency. Every evening, one afternoon, every morning, every day. So you can see that these are the frequency only. Means you are doing the same things, or some of the routine will be like routine will be there. Okay, so here frequency is there. Then time, adverb of time is also there when you are asking the question when. So whatever will be the answer for the same, that is the adverb of time. Like before dinner, कब करते हो आप before dinner? On Tuesday at 8 at 5 p.m. Okay, so that is called adverb of time and purpose. So when you are asking the question why, क्यों, so that is the adverb of purpose. Like for exercise, to make money because they are tired, to see Tom. So yes, these are the adverb of purpose only, no doubt. Other adverbs are also there, but yes, I have shared the screen just for your knowledge only, because in the further classes, when you will go to the 5th standard or 4th standard, you might have the same syllabus in your, like might have means you are going to learn about these adverbs. Okay, you may. Okay, chalo, so now let us move to the next slide. Okay, so these are, मैंने बोला था that some of the questions you are asking every time: how, when, in what manner, how many times, in what way, how much, to what extent, how often. Okay, no doubt in our syllabus only the first one you are going to ask, that is how, कैसे. So whatever answer you are going to get of that कैसे, so that is called your, that will be your adverb only. वो आपका बन जाएगा adverb. No doubt other questions are also there, you are going to ask in your next classes. आपके दूसरी classes में जब जाओगे 4th, 5th, 6th, then only you are going to ask these questions to the verbs. Otherwise in our syllabus we are going to ask only one question, that is how, कैसे. Okay, तो you know that quickly, loudly, कैसे चिल्ला रहे हो आप क्लास में. सो चिल्लाना, शाउटिंग इज अ काइंड ऑफ वर्ब. ओके, एंड आई एम आस्किंग टू दैट क्वेश्चन ओनली कि कैसे चिल्ला रहे हो. सो कैसे विल बिकम योर एडवर्ब. सो यू विल से लाउडली, सॉफ्टली, नॉइजीली, एंग्रीली. ओके, सो दीज विल बी दीज कैन बी द आंसर्स ऑफ योर क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो फॉर that will become your adverb. Okay, जैसे मैं जा रही थी, तो मैं कैसे जा रही थी, I was walking very nicely. Okay, so that nicely is the adverb. Okay, so whenever you are asking question how to your verb, that will become your adverb. Okay, chalo, I hope that you enjoyed the video and everything. Whatever I have said, you got it also. Okay, chalo, so now very thank you for the same thing. Okay, chalo, any doubt will be there, you can share the same doubt at the time of Zoom lecture. Okay, till then, yes, and again I'm saying, just watch the video again and again, so that you will have the idea for the same. Okay, this is adverb, because if you want to speak in English, you have to have the knowledge of English terminologies, that is grammar terminologies, is verbs, subject, adverbs, adjectives, degrees. These all are the terminologies. Terminologies मतलब जब आप साइंस में जाते हो तो कुछ कुछ वर्ड्स आपको पता होने चाहिए, वैसे ही जब इंग्लिश में आते हो तब भी कुछ कुछ वर्ड्स आपको पता होने चाहिए फॉर योर नॉलेज. ओके, सो जस्ट वॉच द वीडियो अगेन एंड अगेन. ओके, चलो, योर मैम इज साइनिंग ऑफ बेटा. बाय बाय.